Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are in Las Vegas. We are at the Vdara and we are in a king studio room. So they have it outfitted like a little mini apartment. We'll start back at the front door. We are on the 47th floor and we face Mandalay Bay, Allegiant Stadium, and right across the way is Aria. So anyway, you walk in and you have your full-length mirror. And it's a mini kitchen with seating for two. It does not have any kitchenware, but you can request it and they'll bring it up to you. You have two refrigerators. One is a fully stocked mini bar, and then the other one is for your use. They do have a Keurig, but it is not complimentary coffee. You buy the little cup, and then inside the cup is all of your coffee supplies. So you could bring your own cups and K-cups for your coffee. Okay, your shade controls and master switch. And then it opens up into a really nice big room. It is all one room, but it's really nice and big. It is a sleeper sofa. More storage under the TV console. Your tablet for all the services. A closet with your safe. It's a little bit bigger than most safes. And your ironing board and your extra pillows for the sleeper sofa. Here's the view, at least from this side of the hotel, of Allegiant Stadium, Aria, and then off in the distance you can kind of see Mandalay Bay. It's hard to see with the reflection, but anyway, there you go. It has a really nice soaking tub, a separate shower. It doesn't have double sinks, but it does have a double vanity with a makeup mirror. Okay, so there you go. Your king studio at the Vdara in Las Vegas. We've never stayed here before, but so far we really like it. The service has been nice, and it has more amenities than we thought. So if you're here, we wish you good luck, and feel free to leave comments or questions. And thanks for watching another video for Destinations by Del Castillo. Please like and subscribe if we've ever helped you with any of your travel plans and given you information that was remotely helpful, because we sure enjoy watching other videos. It sure helps us a lot. All right, thanks for watching.